We are on the trail to the falls on Steel Creek. Been looking forward to this one for a long time. It's a nice little cascade. I'm gonna have to cross above it, get to the other side, and head on up the trail on the left side. That's the instructions, so I'm following them. Let's go check it out. Well, I made it to the other side. Came from over there, came up there, and came across there. And now I'm here. Let's continue on. Well, I just came bushwhacking through there to end up here. We've got to go right up through that little wedge there, and then it's on to the next obstacle. This is crazy getting back here, but hopefully it's going to be worth it. We'll see. Okay, we're through that obstacle, and we have come out into this totally cool area. I do have a steady cam on order, so hopefully I'll get better at this. Let's walk up here and check this out. Very cool. We're still not to the main falls yet. I'm not sure if there are more obstacles or if this is going to be fairly smooth sailing from here. Well, that was interesting. I had to climb up through this hole. You see down there where the light is, that's where I was, and I had to come up through these rocks. And now I'm up here. I still don't think this is the main falls though. We are here. There's more water right now than the pictures that I've seen, and the little cave is almost underwater. Somebody left a shoe here. That's the falls. And there's another one up above it, but I can't figure out how to get up there just yet. I'm not sure if I will. So I'm going to grab some pictures and try to find my way up to the Mountains to Sea trail, which is up to my left, and that'll get me back to the car a whole lot quicker. This was the most difficult waterfall I have visited yet. It's quite the bushwhack to get up here, but man, it was worth it. It's beautiful. I hope you guys enjoy seeing it, and we'll see you next time.